Welcome to How's That Pronounced? Videos to help you with commonly mispronounced words. Today's word is the noun species. This word actually has two different pronunciations. The first one, species, species, species. The second one, species, species, species. I prefer the first, but you can say either one. Listen and repeat. The mountain gorilla is an endangered species. Over 100 species of insects are found in this area. Many plant and animal species are found only in rainforests. This zoo is home to over 500 species of animals from around the world. Stay tuned for the next video.